Amazon is the largest online retailer in the world with 300 million active users and revenue of more than $500 million a year. Now is your chance to ride the wave of Amazon's success and make good money with it. In this video, we'll discuss why exactly Amazon is a great platform to start a business on, how to open a store on Amazon, and how to avoid the fuss. Point 1. Why start an Amazon business? Amazon is a very user-friendly platform for sellers. It provides a range of services that help sellers set up their businesses, such as the Amazon Seller Central platform, which allows you to create and manage your listings, track your sales, and monitor your profits. You don't need to worry about rent, utilities, or other expenses that come with warehousing. When you run an Amazon business, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere, anytime. You can manage your business from the comfort of your own home or while you're traveling. Amazon provides a range of tools and analytics to help you manage your business more effectively. For example, you can track your sales, monitor your inventory levels, and analyze customer feedback, which is very convenient. When you sell on Amazon, you can diversify your income streams by selling across multiple product categories. Don't pull all eggs in one basket. Point 2. How to make your Amazon business profitable. The first step to making your Amazon business profitable is to choose the right products to sell. This involves doing some research to identify products that are in high demand but have low competition. You can use tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 to find such products. Once you have identified the right product, the next step is to optimize your listings. This involves using the right keywords, creating high-quality product images, and writing exciting product descriptions. The more optimized your listings are, the more likely they are to show up in search results and attract customers. The next step is to use Amazon advertising. Amazon offers a range of advertising options, including sponsored products and sponsored brands, which allows you to target customers who are searching for products like yours. 2.2. Is FBA or FBM a good idea? How to open a store on Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon is a service offered by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon fulfillment centers. Amazon then takes care of shipping the products to customers, handling returns, and providing customer service. There are several advantages of using FBA. First, it allows you to leverage Amazon's logistics network, which can help you get your products to customers faster and more efficiently. Second, it makes your products eligible for prime shipping, which can increase your sales. Finally, it frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business, such as product development and marketing. However, there are some downsides of using FBA. First, there are fees associated with the service. Second, you may lose some control over the fulfillment process, and if Amazon experiences any issues with its fulfillment centers, it can impact your business too. Deciding whether to use Amazon FBA or FBM ultimately depends on your business needs and goals. Here are some factors to consider when making this decision. The first is time and convenience. One of the main advantages of FBA is that Amazon handles the shipping, returns, and customer service on your behalf. With FBM, you are responsible for all the fulfillment, which could be time-consuming and require significant resources. The next important thing to consider is the cost. Using FBA involves fees such as storage fees, pick and pack fees, and referral fees, which can eat into your profit margins. FBM can be less expensive in terms of fees, but you will need to manage your own inventory, storage, and shipping costs. Third point is sales velocity. Amazon Prime customers have access to free 2-day shipping on FBA price, which can increase the likelihood of your products being purchased. However, FBM can offer more control over the fulfillment process, which can lead to better customer service and higher customer satisfaction. Fourth thing to consider is product size and type. FBA is generally more suitable for small, lightweight items that can be easily stored and shipped by Amazon. If you are selling larger or heavier items or products that require specific handling, FBM can be a better option. Fifth thing is seasonal or short-term selling. If you are selling seasonal or short-term products, FBA can be a good option as it allows you to quickly and easily scale your inventory up or down as needed. With FBM, you will need to manage your own inventory levels and shipping, which can be more challenging in a rapidly changing market. Ultimately, the decision on how to open a store on Amazon and deciding between FBA and FBM comes down to your specific business needs and goals. If you value time and convenience and are willing to pay for the fees associated with FBA, it may be the best option for you. However, if you want more control over the fulfillment process or are selling larger or more specialized products, FBM may be a better fit. Okay, but what if I tell you that there's a cooler way to do Amazon business? As I mentioned before, don't put all eggs in one basket. With AliDropship, you can get a fully functioning, successful online store and get a turnkey Amazon business. No need to worry about products. You can work with AliExpress suppliers and also our partners, Salvia. Salvia is an American supplier with thousands of products from various niches that get delivered within 3 days around the US. Ready-made product descriptions to attract visitors and convert them into buyers. Just import and voila! Be the sole owner of your store. No one and nothing can stop you. Sounds cool? Book a free consultation by following the link in the top right corner or in the description and find out more about this unique opportunity. Hope you enjoyed this video about how to open a store on Amazon. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more commerce insights. Leave your comments and feedback down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!